What up, Blair? This is your form review video, so let's go ahead and get into it. Honestly, your deadlift looks really solid. I can tell you're putting the tension in your hamstrings, which is exactly where we want it. But I've got three things that I want to cover with you. The first thing is, I can tell you're pulling from an elevated surface, which means you probably have limited hamstring mobility. But because you're pulling with really good technique, I would say go ahead and lower that deficit down a little bit and start to challenge that position, because eventually we want to be pulling from the floor. The second thing is this: your head, as you're pulling, you're looking up. I want you keeping a neutral spine. So I want everything staying, if this is your head, I want everything staying in a nice straight line. And when you're standing up, that's when you get to put your gaze forward. So don't break that kinetic chain by looking up. The third thing is, change your shoes. You'll see a lot of lifters that will actually lift in Chuck Taylors. I'm not saying you have to use Chucks, but get some sort of shoe that's gonna give you a more firm support and not as much cushion like a running shoe. Overall though, Blair, I'd say you're doing a really solid job. So